Did you know that you can use LinkedIn to create a video to introduce yourself to a potential employer? Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy Makita Dodd, and I'm so glad that you are watching this video because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all about LinkedIn cover stories. This feature was released by LinkedIn in 2021, and guess what? You can leverage it as a job seeker to wow a potential employer through this 30-second introduction clip. If you're ready to learn all about LinkedIn cover stories, make sure that you like this video and of course, subscribe to my channel because I post weekly content just like this to help you on your journey toward landing that dream job. Are you ready? Let's get started. So what is a LinkedIn cover story? Your LinkedIn cover story is a 30-second introduction video that sits in conjunction with your profile picture that anybody can view once they click on your full profile. It appears as an orange ring around your profile picture and it allows viewers of your profile to meet you on video. If people click on your profile and you do have a cover story, it will play on mute for a few seconds, kind of like a teaser, and they have to click if they want to hear what you have to say and watch your full video. This sounds great, but how can you leverage this as a job seeker? What I love about LinkedIn cover stories is it gives you an ability to introduce yourself to a potential employer. They can hear you, they can see your face, get a bit of a glimpse into your personality as well, beyond just your resume or cover letter. For job seekers, this gives you an opportunity to showcase your personality and to also describe your unique value proposition to the potential employer. I do not see very many job seekers utilizing this amazing LinkedIn feature, and because you're watching this video, you can have the upper hand. So utilize this to stand out. Before we dive into how to create your LinkedIn cover story, here's a pro tip. Make sure that your full profile is optimized. Your LinkedIn cover story is not this one thing that you can do on your profile and it's the end all be all. No, you have to have a fully optimized LinkedIn profile from top to bottom if you want to stand out. The LinkedIn cover story, your mini introduction video, is simply the cherry on top. Have you noticed or even watched other people's LinkedIn cover stories? Let me know in the comments, I'm curious. I'm not going to go into exactly how to create it. You have to use the LinkedIn mobile app. So you can watch the video that I created. There's a tutorial on how to actually create your LinkedIn cover story right below this video. I'll link the description in the comments. But I want to discuss, what do you actually say in your LinkedIn cover story? Let's have a look at the formula. First, you want to introduce yourself with your name and your title and thank them for viewing your profile. Second, you want to state your unique value proposition. And lastly, end with a call to action. Let's have a look at each of these steps in more detail. So first, start by introducing yourself with your name and your title, and also thank the person for viewing your video. I see people overcomplicate this part. Keep it simple. Remember that this is potentially the first time that an employer or recruiter is seeing you, is hearing you speak, is being introduced to you. So you want to introduce yourself and simply thank them for viewing your profile.
Hi, my name is Cindy Makita Dodd. I am a senior copywriter and I am so glad that you are viewing my profile.
Next, you want to state your unique value proposition. As a job seeker, and if you are on the job market, your goal is always to sell yourself to the potential employer. So I want you to think about what specific skills or areas of expertise do you possess that would be attractive to the person viewing your profile, in this case, a potential employer. What is your zone of genius? What are you really good at? What are you passionate about? You have some time here to describe this in your introduction video and use this section to really sell your skills and value proposition. I could say something like this.
I am known for creating copy that converts in order to drive sales and boost revenue. I am a wordsmith at heart and I'm passionate about the psychology behind what gets people to say yes.
And lastly, end with a call to action. What steps do you want the person to take next after viewing your LinkedIn cover story? Remember, this is a mini introduction, so you want to lead them to the next step in your profile so that they can learn more about you. You could lead them to learn more about you through reading your summary, having a look at links that you've placed in your featured section, maybe examples of your previous work, or even to have a look at some of your accomplishments in your work experience. Always end with a clear call to action so the person viewing your profile knows what steps to take after watching your video.
You can have a look at some of my work in the featured section of my profile. And if you're interested in copy, let's connect.
Here are some pro tips to remember when recording and creating your LinkedIn cover story. Number one is confidence is key. I recommend pre-recording your LinkedIn cover story on your mobile device and then actually uploading it instead of trying to record it on one take and uploading it. This will allow you the opportunity to mess up if you need to and to make sure that you perfect what it is that you want to say. You could do as many takes and tries as you need to create a cover story that you are proud of and one that makes you appear and feel confident. Always remember to look straight at the camera, to have good lighting in the forefront, make sure that your background is clear as well, and that you smile while you're doing it. Number three, be authentically you. Let your personality shine. This truly is an opportunity for you to let your personality shine to the potential employer. They're watching this video because they want to learn more about you. So don't be afraid to be authentic to you and to your personality as well. And my final tip is to dress like you were going in for a video interview. Remember, you always want to put your best foot forward. I hope that you found this video useful, all about LinkedIn cover stories. If you did, please give it a like. Also, comment below if you are going to create yours right after this video. I want you to watch this video next, where I break down the step-by-step on how to create your LinkedIn cover story on the LinkedIn mobile app, and I walk you through the step-by-step on how to do it. So watch that video next. If you want some more instruction on how to create your LinkedIn cover story, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for more videos like these, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.